Compound sentences and conjunctions have a special relationship with commas. Compound sentences joined by a conjunction require a comma before that conjunction. However, just because you have a word like and, or, so, but, etc., does not always mean you must have a comma. When you place a comma in your sentence, always know what it is doing and why you have placed it in a specific spot. For example, Shakespeare mastered the art of comedy and inspired countless generations to laugh. In this case, the comma is not necessary before the and. A pair of verbs joined by a conjunction that links back to the same subject makes a complex sentence. You would not want a comma to come before and because it is simply linking a pair of two words like ham and cheese or run and leap. When dealing with lists of actions, things, or ideas, remember that two items joined by a conjunction like and do not need to be set apart by commas. Only lists of 3 or more. For example, this summer's weather is hot, oppressive, and deadly. Does require commas. However, this summer's weather is hot and oppressive requires no comma. If you have a compound sentence with a complete set of subject and verb on either side of the conjunction, then you do need a comma. For example, Shakespeare mastered the art of comedy, comma, and he inspired countless generations to laugh. Because we have that he in front of inspired, we now have two sets of subject and verb. Shakespeare mastered and he inspired. If you're ever unsure of how, where, or why to place a comma in a sentence, don't be afraid to ask a friend, a teacher, or your friendly EWC advisor.